Now I will tell you what I've done for you. 50,000 tears I've cried, screaming, deceiving, and bleeding for you. And you still won't hear me. Don't want your hand this time, I'll save myself. Maybe I'll wake up for once, not tormented daily, defeated by you. Just when I thought I'd reached the bottom, I dive again. I'm going under, drowning in you. I'm falling forever. I've got to break through. I'm going under. Blurring and stirring the truth and the lies. I don't know what's real, what's real, what's real, what's real, what's nice. Always confusing the thoughts in my head. So I can't trust myself anymore. I dive again. I'm going under, drowning in you. I'm falling forever. I've got to break through. I'm so gone and scream at me, so far away. I won't be broken again. I've got to breathe. I can't keep going
Intertwine, finesse. Come into the place where we're all down the bass with a sound that's profound and the tempo that flows. Let it flow. So don't let the groove comprehend your descent. Let it move, take control. Let it rinse, let it roll. Let it flow. Let it flow. Niceness wrong, come wait, set with the wicked and trade. Follow it, add them follow it, drop the break, break on the enemy, drop them. We drop them. Get the rock up way, set with the wicked and trade. Follow it, and them follow it. Drop the break on the enemy, drop them. Darkness in the sounds we allow them. Intertwine with the mind is fine. And you hold down this with the pipe. Subject, object, live and direct. And you connect with a mission, with a verbal rendition. You the feet and body moving, even soul and mind. Soul and mind and growing. You the feet and body moving. Come into the place where we hold down the bass with the sound that's profound and the tempo flows. Let it flow. So don't let the groove comprehend your descent. Let the groove take control. Let it rinse, let it roll, let it flow. Let it go. With the sound that's profound and the tempo flows. Let it flow. So don't let the groove comprehend your descent. Let the groove take control. Let it rinse, let it roll, let it flow. Let it go. Control this, we roll this with the flow that folds this and holds it. Yeah, with them want the right one, no. Blow this right outside the window. Yeah, we come fair round this station. Then we drop to the Liverpool way. One the line. We are enter with a boss with a break on center. Dance our business. I would do it like that. Ready for the mic, the track for the niceness. And the rhythm entices hypeness. And I wanna leap over the madness. Bound for the new heights. Too many deep beats of tropical nights on wax. And I don't beat flow, make it relax. And I wanna leap over the madness.